This video is for dads who are trying to learn and understand if your mother, the ex-partner, is alienating your kids from the dads. What sort of psychology are you looking out for on here? I'm the Apple What's It, and I just want to make clear, first of all, look, I'm not saying all divorced mums are psychos who turn their kids against their dads, but, well, some of you definitely are, aren't you? Really? You know who you are, sitting there thinking, oh God, he's talking about me. Yeah, I am. Deal with it. Here's a few of them. The control freaks. These mums don't just want custody, they want absolute power. They sat there in their living rooms, rubbing their hands together like a Bond villain. I'll tell little Timmy his dad doesn't love him enough times. Eventually, he'll believe it. Stroking little kid. I'll believe it. This is what they do. This is what they do, probably. I don't know for sure, but potentially maybe. You know what I mean? They're pretending to be stroking the cat, except the part where that you're mentally wrecking your own child is a minor detail. Your dad left us, love. He left you because you were about as easy to live with as a fire alarm that never stops beeping. The poor bloke has been begging to see his kids for years, while you, yes you, have been changing your phone number more often than your Tinder bio. The professional victims, these are the ones you need to keep an eye open for. These are my favourite, by far my favourite. Still bitter about the breakup from 7 years ago? Well, let's say 12 years ago. Say 12. In that time, you could have learnt a new language, started a new business, or I don't know, worked on your own personality. Instead, you've mastered the art of Facebook pity post. Another weekend alone while he gets to have fun with my children. Whoa, hang on. Your child? I didn't realise you did all that by yourself. What? He was a sperm donor? Oh, wait. Those actually pay money. Oh, then fuck off. No. He's trying to see his kid and paying child support? What a monster. Terrible man. Terrible man. Someone call Interpol. Get this sorted. They're like people who peaked in high school but never shut up about it. But instead of I was prom queen in 2005, it's he broke my heart in 2017, so now I'm ruining two lives instead of just one. She wants to ruin your life and your child's life. That's the two lives, just in case you weren't with me. The emotional blackmailers, these ones, if you loved me, you wouldn't want to see your father, would you? Wow, just wow. That's not parenting, that's emotional terrorism. Okay? Imagine if I did that to you lot. If you really enjoyed this video, you'd never share it. You wouldn't want to listen to anybody else's advice ever again. You'd think I was a lunatic. But somehow, when it comes to your kids, this is acceptable behaviour. They make North Korean loyalty tests look more reasonable. The kid saying to his mum, Mum, I had fun at Dad's house. Mum says, traitor. Pretends dramatically to faint onto a stool. And she's fucking passed out. And then he comes over to give her some attention. You can't go to your dad's house. You left me behind. Putting the massive guilt trip on. Then you have the courtroom crusaders. These are the mums that love family court. They approach it like a season of Love Island. But instead of fighting for love, they're fighting for full custody and extra cash. They've got a PhD in bullshit law and Google University and a master's in making up allegations. Filing legal motions like it's a Black Friday sale. I'll have a restraining order based on nothing, a custody reduction because he was at 5 minutes late once, and I can can I get a side order of that? Of he's suddenly dangerous because he's dating someone new. Meanwhile, the judge sat there thinking, it's been 6 years. 6 fucking years of this shit. Fucking 6 years. That's what the judge is thinking, obviously. And you've got the weaponizers. And finally, these ones, finally, we've got the mums who use their kids like human shields in their war against their ex. Oh, Daddy got you a PlayStation, did he? Well, I was going to take you to Disneyland, but now I can't afford it because Daddy doesn't give us enough money. Never mind that your daddy is working 2 jobs just to pay for the first holiday. But hey, who needs the truth when you've got child's fragile psychology to manipulate? And the punchline that isn't funny gets, this is a serious thing, right? I'm trying to make light out of it, but the real joke And the real sick part, this twisted, depressing punchline to all of this, is that the child is the one who suffers. You're not actually hurting your ex. Well, you are, but the person you're really screwing up is that innocent kid who just wants to love both parents without feeling like a Judas or that last supper. Take another, think about this. If you recognise yourself in any of this, maybe reconsider, or don't. Just keep doing what you keep doing. Keep doing what you're doing. Just remember that kid will be choosing your nursing home one day, and trust me, they're going to pick the shittiest one they can find. Until next video, peace and love.